bummer of a day. I don't know. Looks kind of rough. So imagine for a minute that this is what somebody wanted to create for you to experience. That's not my boat. But some people want to steer my boat for me. What kind of crazy people do that? They really need some help, and I don't know how to help them get help. Maybe somebody will help them because they're really confused about a lot of things. Laws, rights, which are laws, and manners, and how to treat how to treat other people. Anyway, that's not mine.